Hi, my name is Landers and I am 10 years old.
I'm Sam, 9 years old.
I'm Dominic and I'm 10 years old.
Hi, I'm Elias and I'm 11 years old.
Today we are talking about robots in space.
Because space equals cool.
Robots can do a lot of things in space that humans can't. A space probe is an unmanned spacecraft. Space probes are used for collecting research like studying planets or stars. Sputnik 1 was the first space probe launched. Some of the more recent probes, however, are used for studying asteroids or planets. The benefit of launching space probes is to learn more about the world outside Earth.
Space probes are man-made objects that collect data from planets or drop rovers on them to collect photos or rock samples. Some probes, like the Voyager 1, study the weather or magnetic fields of planets. The Voyager 1 studied Jupiter, Saturn, and its rings, and both planets' larger moons. The Voyager 1 studied the weather, magnetic fields, and rings of both planets. The Voyager 2 had a similar mission, but studied Uranus and Neptune instead of Jupiter.
Today I will be talking about the Juno spacecraft. The Juno spacecraft is named after Roman mythology. It was launched August 5th, 2011 and entered Jupiter's orbit July 4th, 2016. Juno is the farthest space probe ever to be powered by solar arrays. Juno looks for different types of clouds.
Who rides in a shuttle? Robonaut does. Robonaut is a robotic astronaut. It can do everything a human can. Robonaut 2 is faster and can feel things. But Robonaut 1, Robonaut the original, has stronger grip.
In conclusion, we should send robots to space instead of humans because they are less expensive.
Robots cannot get sick or hurt, but humans can.
We don't send humans to space because they take up a lot of resources like air, water, and food.
We send robots instead of humans to space because space travel takes a long time